first of all, in the circle, the point which we use, okay, the center point of this circle, okay, central point of this circle, that was indicated by using a dot, okay, using a dot. We can name that particular dot which we use to draw the circle that as midpoint or center. We can have two terms, okay, center or midpoint, both of these terms. These are similar terms, so we can use those terms to identify the central point which we use to draw the circle as center or midpoint. That is the first thing you should know. Then second thing is about radius. Radius means use your ruler. First, draw a circle. Okay, by using your compass, draw a circle first. Then, in that circle, from the center. Now we have our center. No? From the center, when we draw a straight line. From the center, when we draw a straight line through our circle. From the center to the circle, we draw a straight line. This straight line is given as radius. Okay, radius. For a particular given circle, we can draw many radius. Okay, we can count how many radius we can draw. There are some questions. In a circle, how many radius? In a circle, how many radius we can draw? For that, you should answer it as many. You can draw many radius in a circle. That means the radius means when we draw a straight line from midpoint to circle. When we draw a straight line from midpoint to circle, that is called as radius. Okay, radius. The next important thing is this. Okay, from circle. Okay, from circle, you should use your rulers to draw these things. Okay, from circle through midpoint. Okay, through midpoint, when we draw a straight line to another side of the circle. Okay, try to understand what am I telling. It's very easy. From circle, okay, here we started here. From circle through midpoint. Okay, through midpoint means that is going through. Going through means going into that center and to opposite side of the circle. Okay, this is a straight line. Starting from circle, going through midpoint and ending also at circle. This one is called as diameter. A diameter of the circle. This is the diameter of the circle. These are the fundamental things you should know about circles. First one is center or midpoint. Then center to circle. When we draw a straight line, center to circle, that should be our radius. Then circle to through midpoint to another side of the circle, that one is called as diameter. Okay, in this picture we are going to study about the relationships of radius and diameter. Okay, let's see. That means we know what is a radius is. From midpoint, okay, from a midpoint, when we draw a straight line to circle, that is called as radius. Okay, here from this midpoint, I drawn a straight line to the circle. So this is going to be a radius. Okay, this is a radius. This is a radius. Likewise, I am going to draw another radius. In the same figure, I am going to draw another radius. From the midpoint, I am going to draw one more radius to another side of the circle. Okay, to another side of the circle. Midpoint is a constant one. Okay, that is a stable and stationary one. That does not change. The radius. Here I indicated a pink color radius. Similarly here, from the midpoint to this circle. Okay, to the circle. We can draw many radius. No, that's how I indicated that yellow color radius. So this one is also a radius. Earlier we studied a theorem called, okay, diameter. Diameter, what I explained you as a diameter, that means from circle, okay, from circle through midpoint to another side of the circle. When we draw a straight line from circle through midpoint to another side of the circle, previously we indicated that length, okay, that length as, okay, I'll use a curly chain bracket to indicate that one. Circle to through midpoint to another side of the circle. That one we earlier indicated it as a diameter. Diameter. Here you can clearly see one diameter. Okay, this is one diameter. One diameter equals to 2 radius. That is the relationship. That's all. One diameter. Not one diameter. We are using diameter. That should be equals to 2 times radius. Okay, 2 times of radius. That means when we have the radius as 7 centimeters. For an example, if this one is 7 centimeter, this radius also 7 centimeter. Radius, all radius are equal in length. So if this one is 7, this one also would be 7. So the diameter, that one would be 7 plus 7. That will become 14 centimeters. This is the relationship. Very, very easy. How we found? Diameter equals to 2 times radius. I explained you how it came from.